violated this 70% attendance rule, then in no way you can attend your final exam. It means you're already failed, right? Okay, the question arises, you're attending all the classes and one or two time, you miss the class and you also give me the email. So I'm gonna be marking you as leave. That doesn't count in that 70% rule, right? But that doesn't mean that I would give you the marks for, sending me the email and asking to leave, right? That would be, that would be unjust for remaining the class that they are attending the class and you are on leave and you are also getting equal marks those as compared to those who are also attending the class. Okay?
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
So does the 10% for attendance only apply if you attend 100% of the classes, like all of the classes?
That's it. That's it.
So if I miss one class, I don't get 90%. I mean 9%.
Yeah, sure. So remember, we will be having 16 classes, right? So you can have 30% of that. Maximum, I think, 4 to 5 classes you can miss. If more, then make sure you have a proper leave for something. Only then, if for example, if you miss 7 classes, if you don't provide any kind of like pre-arrangement that, okay, sir, I have this kind of problem, you already informed the office. This 70% rule is not for me, right? I didn't set that. This is school policy. If you are violating this policy, then you need to ask permission from the office. You don't need to drop email to me or message to me because I cannot do anything. That is not my jurisdiction, right? If you are having some kind of like arrangement, pre-arrangement, or you are sick or something, please drop email to the office. Also, it would be like good if you CC to me as well so that I can also understand that. So are we clear on this rule? Attendance, right? So some students may ask that why this is 10%, why attendance is necessary when we have, you will be posting on online, we can have later we can watch the YouTube and all, and that's it. So yes, you can also watch from YouTube. Plus there are other courses, Yale University courses, Harvard University courses. You can also go to over there. You can have dental lectures, so you can appear on the exam. Maybe you pass, or maybe you don't pass. But the thing is that so that I gave you this 10% marks is for me. It's like for free, just because to make you focus and to give you the best experience. And I try to be more honest with like in class, instruction as well. Right? So feel free to ask me any question, anything regarding the course, about assignments or whatsoever, right? I would be available, right? And any more question regarding this assignments, midterm exam and final exam? So when we announce the midterm, I would be telling you what are the structures and how we are going to conduct it. Similarly with the final exam. So regarding assignments, so I would be giving you assignment, and that is not a group assignments, that would be your individual assignments. All you need to do is to respect the timeline and remember that one. So most of the students, which I am, I have seen, they are not considering this 30% seriously. 30%, almost equal to your midterm and final, right? So use your best handwriting, right? Don't do like rush style assignment and then take a picture and send it to me. No, I would be sending you assignments. So you have two choices. Either you do the assignments on the assignment page and then make a PDF file or Word file. I think, okay, only made a Word file. How you can make a Word file? I give you the assignments. You solve the assignment. You have mobile phone, take up pictures, open a Word document and paste those pictures and make a one file and send it to me. Is it a rocket science here? No. right? So you need to make, send me. Okay, my pen stopped working. You need to make a Word document. That's it, right? And send it to me. Now, question is, why not PDF? Because when I'm using this pen, it is more easy for me to, because I have Surface Book, so it works very fine in Word document rather in PDF. So I would be giving you the timely reviews about your assignments. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to check your PDF, because that pen, the Microsoft pen, it works on PDF but very slow and not so smooth.
Right. I have a question.
Yes, Jacob.
So we don't have to do it in hand, right? We can write in Word as well.
No.
Really?
You have two choices. Either you can use ePen, or either you can use pen and take up pictures and convert in that sense. So why I am having these kind of restriction, this is the age of information technology, just because there are some cases in the past that in which we have like buddies help. Hey man, give me the assignments, I can change the formatting and that's it. And that would be, I think, very unfair for the good students or hardworking students. I hope you don't mind.
There is an issue like me. I think if I use my handwriting, it's gonna be like impossible to understand my handwriting. To be honest,
I would
like
be giving you enough.
even in my high school, they all like they just was accepting that I'm using computer and print all my stuff. I don't know, like if you can make it an exhibition.
So basically, our assignments are not, you can say not heavily involved writing. It's like more numbers and all that stuff. So it would be more easy for you to write it down through pen or something. But if, we are going to have, I think, 1 or 2 assignments which involve handwriting. So I would be giving you ample time, a week or maybe 1.5 week to complete. And if you are focused, you can complete these assignments in not more than 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour. So look at the time period, right? 1.5 week or 1 week. And all you need to do, I just require you your 1 hour or max 1 hour, right? I hope you can give me your best handwriting. Osama, understand?
Yeah, understand.
Right?
Sure.
Please do not, be offended from this restriction, because we are having online. So I need to be very fair and just to all my class, right? Okay.
Perfect.
So any other question regarding our exam policy? Okay, let's move forward. So I already uploaded the course content to our Blackboard. And after this class, I would be uploading the course content on our WeChat group, and also all the material on the WeChat group and also on the BB. You can download the material from either of the platform. Okay, so let's discuss about this. Can you see a Word file here?
No, you need, I think, to share the.
Okay, let me show you a Word file here. Here we go. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so this is basically a course content file. I hope you already downloaded from the online platform. If not, then I would be uploading this. I already uploaded it on the BB Blackboard, but I would be also uploading it on our WeChat group as well. So we have exam policies, assessment, class timings, and so we will be having our preferred books here. So here we go, the schedule. So after having, I think, after having 5 classes, we will be having our midterm. 6 classes, we will be having our midterm. And before this midterm, we would be completing our 1 and 2 assignment as well, right? So we would be also be, discussing all these, midterm exam dates, how we are going to conduct it from time to time. So you can also find out through your, BB as well. So my preferred email is chimalhcc@hotmail.com, and that is the institution one. But I think the Hotmail I use, very frequently. Plus, you can also drop me a friend request on WeChat, and you can also send me your assignments, or if you want to ask personal, some students, they are not, comfortable asking or posting questions into the group. So I have a room for that one. They can send me a personal WeChat request. So I will add it and I will answer over there as well. But I would encourage you to send queries and questions into the group, and so that others also know that, so that it is for, for me, it's very easy to answer your queries. Maybe, it's very difficult for me to, answer personal questions, because I'm also teaching 2 other courses as well. Okay, so I would be giving you time to time respond, but I would try to give you the response ASAP. Back to our slides. Okay, so your behavior in class is going to be judged from these 4 points. Class disruption. Please do not create any kind of disruption. So if there is some background noise or something, because we are also recording these lectures, if you have a pet something, or there is some kind of like drilling